7th fret, the 9th fret. So let's find that 7th fret and the 9th, and let's start on the 7th. Here we go. 1 bar of each. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, up to the 9th fret. 2, 3, 4. Let's be mindful yet. There they are, there they are. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And adjustments will need to be made. There we go. There it is. All right, I'm going to the first finger bar. There, I like that one. I like that one because it works for me. My fingers may be a little too thick on this neck to make that high E string come out. With work, sure I can do it. Maybe I should work on that a little more, shouldn't I? Oh, we're here to learn. I'll do it. I'll try. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah, kinda, yeah. 2, 3, 4. But notice we're always landing on beat 1. And if there's a missed note or a cracked note in there, that's okay. We just move on. Move on. We'll get it next time.